Now, let's talk about the market cycle. Sa market cycle, whether cryptocurrency or stock market, meron tayong tatlong market cycle. First one is the bull market. And during bull markets, the price trends up, which means meron tayong continuous or successive higher highs and higher lows. And during this market cycle, optimism and greed dominates. So usually, ang makikita nyo dyan, puro mga optimism or masyadong greedy na market participants. And next one is the bear market. And during bear market, the price trends down, which means the structure is forming a lower highs and lower lows. And during this market, or during this phase, the peer capitulation, pessimism is the ones that are dominating. And the last market cycle that we have is the accumulation or the sideways or range na tinatawag. And during this phase, the price moves sideways, and usually it's after a bear market. And during this market, smart money builds positions quietly. And it has low volatility and low public interest. Kasi nga, usually, etong accumulation na to or ranging market or sideways, usually, for the people, they see it as a boring market. But what they didn't know or what they don't know is during this market is nag-accumulate or nagpa-plant or nagtatanim yung mga investors. And this is mostly or generally the best time to buy in the market cycle or in a certain market. Kasi nga, it has low volatility and low public interest. Usually, hindi nila pinapansin itong market na to. But this is usually the market na magbibigay ng potential highest return. So that's it for this market cycle.